This is the sagittal section of female pelvis. Let us get oriented with this picture. In front, you can see the pelvis, that is the pubis bone in the front. It's cut. This part suffices pubis, and the bony part behind is the sacrum and the coccyx. So you can see the sacrum and the coccyx. So whatever is in between are the pelvic organs. So if you track from front to back, here is the urinary bladder, followed by the uterus and the vagina, and most posteriorly you can see the rectum and the anal opening. So urinary bladder opens via the urethra, uterus, the vaginal canal, vaginal opening, the rectum and the anus. So now this figure is just to make you aware that can you see the line which shows the angle of the vaginal canal. So the vaginal canal and the cervix of the uterus forms a 90-degree angle. This angle is called anteversion. A very easy way to remember is V anteversion, V for vagina. So anteversion, V stands for vagina. So the angle made by the vagina to the uterus is the anteversion. Well, anteflexion is the angle made by the cervix to the body of the uterus. That is the anteflexion. Okay, so anteversion, anteflexion. This arrangement is actually made so that the uterus is actually anteflexed on to the superior surface of the urinary bladder, which will prevent the descent of uterus through the vaginal canal. So this is a modification which will help in preventing the prolapse of the uterus. Thank you.